Are you fed up with stubborn nail fungus? Wondering if you can tackle it right from your home? Prepare to discover the world of home remedies that can give you clearer, healthier nails in no time. From everyday pantry items to simple lifestyle changes, we've got 17 incredible remedies and a bonus for you that will make nail fungus a problem of the past. So sit back and let's dive into the world of at-home treatments for nail fungus. 1. Embrace the antifungal powers of tea tree oil. Remember that time when you felt the onset of a cold and a friend suggested tea tree oil? Well, its benefits don't stop at your sinuses. Tea tree oil is a natural antifungal agent, making it effective in treating nail fungus. Dilute it with a carrier oil and apply it to the affected nail daily, and you might see improvements within a few weeks. 2. Vinegar soaks, your kitchen ally. That bottle of vinegar in your pantry isn't just for cooking anymore. Vinegar is slightly acidic, creating an inhospitable environment for the fungus. Soak your feet in a mixture of equal parts vinegar and warm water for up to 20 minutes daily. Don't forget to dry your feet thoroughly afterward. 3. The magic of baking soda. Ever notice how baking soda absorbs odors in the fridge? This same property allows it to soak up the moisture that fungus thrives on. Make a paste with baking soda and water and apply it to the affected area. Rinse and dry thoroughly after 10 minutes. 4. Rediscovering the medicinal benefits of coconut oil. When your grandma suggested coconut oil for every ailment, she was onto something. The fatty acids in coconut oil can actually insert themselves into the lipid layer of the fungal membrane, leading to cell disintegration and the death of the fungus. Apply a thin layer of coconut oil to the affected area and let it absorb and dry naturally. 5. Harness the healing power of garlic. Garlic isn't just for adding flavor to your favorite dishes. It also has potent antifungal properties. Crush some garlic cloves, apply to the affected area, and wrap it with a bandage. Leave it on for a few hours before washing off. 6. Try turmeric paste. Turmeric's benefits have been revered in traditional medicine for centuries. Known for its antifungal properties, a paste made with turmeric and water can be applied to the affected area. Rinse it off after it dries and remember to use a separate towel to prevent spreading the infection. 7. Oregano oil. More than a flavor booster. Oregano oil contains thymol, a natural fungicide. Mixing 2 drops of oregano oil with a teaspoon of olive oil and applying it to the affected nail can help combat the fungus. Just make sure to do a patch test first to check for any allergic reactions. 8. Try a Vicks VapoRub Rub. Vicks VapoRub is a popular remedy for nail fungus. Its active ingredients, camphor and eucalyptus oil, can help treat the infection. Apply it to the affected nail before bedtime. Cover it with a bandage and wash it off in the morning. 9. Take advantage of olive leaf extract. Not just great in salads, olive leaf extract has strong antifungal benefits too. Taken orally, it can boost your immune response and aid in fighting off fungal infections. 10. Epsom salt, not just for relaxation. Epsom salt isn't just for relieving muscle pain. Soaking your feet in warm water with Epsom salt can soften your nails and make other treatments more effective. Make sure to dry your feet thoroughly afterward. 11. Say yes to probiotic yogurt. Consuming probiotic yogurt can help restore the body's natural balance of bacteria, helping to prevent fungal infections. Try to incorporate it into your daily diet. 12. Snakeroot Extract. A study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology found that snakeroot extract was as effective as a commonly prescribed antifungal drug for nail fungus. It's a plant extract and can be applied directly to the nail. 13. Use sunflower oil. Sunflower oil has been found to have antifungal properties and can be used topically on the affected nail. It's a gentle option for those with sensitive skin. 14. Invest in a quality antifungal nail lacquer. Over-the-counter antifungal nail lacquers can be an effective way to treat nail fungus. Remember to be consistent with application as per the instructions. 15. Get some propolis. Propolis, a natural resin that bees use to seal their hive, has shown promise in treating nail fungus. Applied topically, it can be a great natural alternative. 16. Incorporate essential fatty acids. A diet high in essential fatty acids can boost your body's ability to fight fungal infections. Foods like salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts are great sources. 17. Don't forget proper hygiene practices. Lastly, maintaining good foot hygiene can be as effective as any remedy. Keep your feet clean and dry. Change socks regularly, and avoid walking barefoot in public places. 18. Try topical ozonized oils. As an added bonus, ozonized oils, such as olive and sunflower oil, have shown promising results in treating nail fungus. The ozone in the oil helps inhibit fungal growth, providing another natural solution to this stubborn issue. Potential drawbacks. While home remedies can offer solutions, they might not work for everyone or for severe cases of nail fungus. It's also important to note that these remedies typically take a lot longer to work compared to prescribed antifungal treatments. Plus, if the fungus spreads or causes pain, you should seek professional medical help immediately. People with diabetes or compromised immune systems should always consult their doctors before trying home treatments. There you have it. 17 incredible home remedies and a bonus one to help you battle nail fungus right from the comfort of your own home. While nail fungus can be a tough opponent, with persistence and the right treatment, you can get the upper hand. Remember to like this video and comment with your own experiences or tips. Subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness insights. Thanks for watching, and here's to healthier, clearer nails.